Fontaine.
Good morning, everyone, respected teachers and my dear friends. My name is Manaswi. At first, I wish you all a very happy Republic Day. Today is 26th January and we are celebrating Republic Day. This day is our national festival of India. Celebrating this day with great joy and happiness. On this day, the Constitution of India came into force in 1950. We should respect our Constitution. I am proud of to be an Indian. I love my country very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Very good. Salvara.
At the